Hey everybody, we're live. 6:15 in Miami, the end of an historic session in the markets. The Dow Jones dropping 2,000 points, and the tragic confirmation of our forecast about how the market could develop as a result of the heavy debt corporations have right now. According to the last reports I'm watching right now on the news, 20% of the companies that are actually in the stock market in the next 2 weeks might cease to exist. So this is clearly the peak of a recession. All the words that usually we are all afraid to say, like recession, like lack of liquid in the markets, are words that we're going to have to get used to it, because it's what we're going to listen to for the next 2 weeks and more and beyond. So how will this reflect in real estate? I want to tell you that you can place your comments live. I want to open the banners. I'll take my name out. You can place your comments on Facebook or YouTube if you are watching us on Open House Miami. How will this all reflect in real estate? So let's say that between 10 and 20% of the companies go out of business, right, after today. So there will be people that had money or that have income that will not have income, will not qualify for a mortgage. Most possible will have for in the near future problems to meet payments for mortgages or associations. So this might bring a new scenario, and we all need to be prepared. I want to share with you the screen I'm reading right now in CNBC. Dow sinks 2,000 points, worst day. Dow futures for more than 200 points. Coronavirus, I think it will be to blame on this, but not necessarily. You don't need to believe that. But essentially, we have effects in all of us. So where real estate goes, I'm going to have a Wednesday here live, our friend Jack McAvett to explain in technical numbers in a spreadsheet where this goes. So what our guts was telling us for 2 years, that this was irreal, that this party of the stock market was complete nonsense, and it had an end, and the end arrived. So Jack McAvey will be Wednesday to tell us exactly in numbers how it's going to be. My hunch, basically, my hunch out of experience is that we are facing lack of liquid in the markets that might bring prices of real estate even lower. So if you are in the market selling right now, you need to call your listing agent. If you are our client, call us to reestablish a strategy about how to face this new thing that is very similar to many others that we had many years before. But this is the first time since 2008, basically, that something like this happens. People that is in gold, in the mineral, the metal is doing very well. I don't know the people that have certificates on gold. I don't know if they will be able to collect them, but definitely people that is in metal is very good. The rest is not. The price of the crude oil also down. That might bring also recession. Might not help. So we need to prepare to the scenario in real estate that some people will not be able to meet payments, and also opens the opportunity for investors, people that is right now illiquid, that is in money. Hold on to your money. Hold on to your money, because you might have in front of you several opportunities coming in the near future, in the next 2 months. We are going to start reporting every day on how the markets develops. I invite you, if you're joining us now, I invite you to post your comments on Facebook or YouTube. I'll be able to see them here and publish them for you. So I strongly recommend that if you are in stock, try a strategy of exit or to diversify, either in metals or real estate that is right now really cheap to buy, is affordable. The interest rates continue to be awesome, but will the banks be able to continue to lend on the current programs? Chase lost today 10, 12% of value. Bank of America probably the same. There will be less people able to qualify. If people start to lose their job, will be less people able to qualify for loans. So this is something that we all need to prepare in the industry. Prepare for the worst, expect the best kind of situation. So we want to be following every day. Are welcome to join us every day in this daily talk anytime you want. Sellers, please feel free to call me, 786-505-4007. Buyers, you can see the entire inventory in fernando.realtor. In Florida, buyers don't pay nothing to agents, and sellers only pay if the property sells. So this is your opportunity to react, to don't stay still, frozen at home, thinking, oh, what's going to happen? Your money in the 401k is no longer yours probably right now. So you need to think in a new strategy to either recover or reallocate your assets in a way that diversifying will help you keep your money with a better value. So I am Fernando Pettineroli, listing agent with Desert Platinum from our office, still under construction. We just moved. Feel free to call us or visit us online in fernando.realtor. See you tomorrow.